Are you struggling with video creation? Do you want to learn to create videos in less than 10 minutes? If the answer to any of these questions is yes, stick around and you'll be surprised to know what this amazing tool can do for you. Coming up next. Hey guys, this is Leslie from unmatchedreviews.com, bringing the best reviews of digital products. Today I'm going to do a content summary review for you guys. So if you're new here, consider subscribing and don't forget to check out the bonuses that I have to offer should you pick this product using the link below in the description. So let's get started. So the first thing you have to do is go ahead and log into your content summary account. And once you're logged in, you'll be presented with a dashboard similar to what we are looking at right now. Now, if you have used this tool in the past, you would see all of the previous videos that you have created listed down below. However, if you are new, then you have to go ahead and click on this blue button to get started creating a new video. So once you click that button, it will take you to the next screen, where basically it gives you options on how to go ahead and create videos for various different needs and platforms. So to start with, it gives you an option to create square type videos which are popular on Facebook, Instagram or Twitter. And once you click on this option here, video for social media, on your right you will see there are a lot of templates that you can use to create your video. Then there's another option here where you can create a video through a blog post or a script. So if you click this option here, once again you'll be presented with a lot of templates on your right, which you can just go ahead and click and start creating your videos. And then we have a template for sales video, the template for online courses, and also for a property listing or real estate. But for this demo, I'm going to go ahead and use the second option here, which is video from an article or blog post. Once I click this option, I'm going to go ahead and select neon yellow as my template. Now, if you want to preview this template, you can just click on this preview button here and it will give you a quick sneak peek of how the template looks like. And in addition, if you want to customize the template, you just click on customize this template and it gives you an option to go ahead and change the font style, the text color, the highlight text color and things of that nature. Now if you have a client who needs specific color combinations in their video, this is where you would come and make the changes and then just type the name of the template and save it. But for this demo, I'm going to go ahead and click cancel because I don't want to make any changes to the template. So I'll go ahead and click on use this template. Once I click that button, it will take me to a section where I can go ahead and type in my demo title. And then on the right, I can go ahead and paste my script. So for this demo, I already have a script that I want to use. So I'll go ahead and paste that in the tool. And once I'm done making changes to the script here, on your left you will see some additional options. The first one would be if you want one slide per sentence, you can go ahead and select this. If not, one slide per paragraph or one slide per phrase. What I do is I mostly go ahead and select one slide per sentence. And then you have other options like you can bold the keywords for you automatically. It will also go out and fetch the images or the videos for you and then just attach them to the slides, and can also go ahead and add motion to the images for you. One thing that I wanted to talk about is Content Samurai has a tie-up with Video Blocks. So I'm sure you guys know that Video Blocks is #1 source for all stock images and stock video. So With Content Samurai, you get access to their stock videos and images, so you don't need an additional subscription from them. All you have to do is just get yourself Content Samurai, and then use their stock images and stock videos in your video creation from Content Samurai. So having said that, I'm going to go ahead and click on Create Scenes for your video button. Now what the tool is going to do is it's going to go ahead and create the templates or the scenes for your video. And then, as you can see, that there is a video in the background, and this particular video, the tool went out to the video blocks, stock video section, and then just picked relevant video for me. So if you don't like this video, you always have an option to come here and then search for, let's say, something like home, and it will search the database, and then you can see, okay, these are the various different options, and then you can just click on whatever clip you want to add to your slide, and it will directly go ahead and do that for you. But for now, I don't want to change this because I think this particular video is relevant. But here, let's say I want to go ahead and pick something else. So I'll just click on Clean, and let's say I'm going to go ahead and attach this image to my slide. Now on the top you have options where if you highlight the text, it gives you an option to bold the text. You can also use the italic form or underline the text. If you're using still image, you get an option to go ahead and play around with the motion. So either you can do a zoom in effect or a zoom out effect, or if you don't need any effect, just click on none. But I like the zoom in effect, so I'll select zoom in. You also have an option to go ahead and change the text position. So if you click on this button, you can play around with the square position, and then the text will move according to what you have selected in this area. Once you're satisfied with the images or the videos that the tool picked for you through its artificial intelligence, you can just scroll all the way down and then click on Add Voice Track to your video. Once you do that, the tool will go ahead and give you options for either creating a video which only has music, or you can use the text-to-speech function for auto voice, or you can record your own voice track directly into your video using this tool. Or if you already have a voice track recorded, you can use the upload file option to upload that particular file into your video, and then the tool is going to go ahead and sync the audio and video together. But for this demo, I'm going to go ahead and use auto voice because I simply love the text-to-speech function that Content Samurai offers. Believe me guys, this is one of the best I have come across. Non-native speakers would love this function because it just makes your life so easy. So go ahead and click on this button, and then as you can see, it gives you various different options for voice selection. My favorite is look, so I'll just select look and then click on preview your video. Once you do that, it's going to go ahead and start creating the scenes and then build your preview. It's going to take a few minutes to sync it up, and then give you an option where you can preview your video. So we'll just wait. So as you can see, the tool is done putting all the slides in place, music and text-to-speech function. It has presented me with an option where I can preview my video. On your left, you have a few options, like you can increase or decrease the music volume in your video. You also have an option to play around with the narration volume for your video. It also has a unique option where you can increase or decrease the track speed. So if you're using the inbuilt text-to-speech function, this comes in handy. So for me, bringing it down to 90% with loop tends to work out the best. So once I've done that, I'll go ahead and click on apply. The tool is going to go ahead and resync the scene timings for me, and then once again bring me back to the same screen what we were looking at just a few minutes back. So let's just wait for the tool to finish syncing. Alright, the tool is done resyncing the templates and the slides. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this play button just to see how this video turned out.
Selling your home can be incredibly stressful. For one thing, you need to organize your house and clean it like crazy before you can even list it on the market. Then you have to keep it that way constantly just in case if buyers suddenly want to stop by. So you have to secure your pets. Make sure all the kids' toys are picked up and leave your house at a moment's notice, hoping this time the right buyer will show up. The entire experience can be frustrated, anxious and worried, especially as the weeks become months. Now it becomes more stressful if you pick a wrong realtor. The wrong realtor will act like.
So now you can see how the video turned out. I really like the voice narration of Luke, and I'm sure there are guys who would agree with me on that. So now once I am done, I'm like satisfied with the video, how it turned out, I'm going to go ahead and click on looks good and continue. Once I do that, I can go ahead and then click on generate your video. And then once that button is clicked, it's going to go back and start the cloud services in the background, like preparing your audio, encoding the video, and generating the scenes for your video, things of that nature. Now the good part about Content Samurai is that all of these is handled in the cloud. So if you're using an old computer, or if you have let's say a low processor computer, you can still create the video on that particular machine because none of your system resources are used during video production. Everything is in the cloud. Now while it's doing that, I just wanted to let you guys know that be sure to check out the bonuses on my offering in the description below, and if you guys want to pick it up, do so by clicking the link below, and you will get the bonuses that I have attached with this particular tool. If you like the review, please like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will continue to make more videos like this, giving you guys full details of the products before you buy. Once again, thanks for watching, and you guys have a great day. Cheers.